Okay. Okay, thank you everyone. So yeah, you can park your questions and Varsha can ask those questions meanwhile if you want in between. So first thing, we'll just take a pan. I think I'm visible, quite visible, Varsha, or should I close? Yes, okay. Okay, so I'll just switch on this. Okay, and I'll take, yeah, I'm using the induction. You can make it on the gas because I have to show you people. So I'm using it here on the table. Okay. So just on first we will just heat the pan little bit, and low medium heat pe we will make everything. Okay. So just put 2 tablespoon. See, butter is according to your choice. You can make it. It will not make any difference. आपने ज़्यादा लिया या कम लिया. Okay. So just melt the butter. Yeah. So and see, one more thing, as a nutritionist I would like to tell you people, when you are cooking at home, please don't think that you are putting more ghee, more butter, more oil, because those things are quality things which you are bringing out at your place, because outside you don't know what they are using and in what quantity, but at home at least you know what you are using. So guilt free use, and satisfy your palate also. So as I said, chopped all these vegetables, finely chopped, you can see. So as much as vegetables you want. So here I have taken carrot, cabbage, capsicum, and mushroom and broccoli. So 5. It's up to you how many vegetables you want. Okay. So just put all the vegetables in this butter. Simple. Okay. And just saute it. See, because they are finely chopped, you don't need to cook it very long. This little crunchiness has to be there. I think only carrot will take most of the time. Rest all is just crunchy you like more. Okay. One thing also, no, yeah, not let cook, because you want to feel that in your soup. Whenever you have soup, you want that crunchiness in every bite. Yeah. So what also you can do it, you can steam it also. If you don't want to, even if you want to cut butter all together, if some problem or something, butter is not advisable. So you just steam it. Instead of butter, place 2 tablespoons of water and all the vegetables and just saute. Okay, so you can saute. Yeah, and that aroma of butter stimulates your acids and your hungers, and then food digest also. Whenever you are making things more colorful and more tastier, you get digested it very well. So try to go for a colorful and tastier food. So just sauteed it. Now little bit of oil, salt according to your taste, because butter also has a salt. So I am just putting half a teaspoon, and black pepper. Yeah, powder. You can crush it. Fine. You can. It's a home crushed. I have not bought it powdered one from the. So everything you can make it at home. And I can feel this aroma, and just we are just 500 ml water. So because this soup will, you can make around 3 to 4 people serving. Okay. Yes. Only salt and pepper. Spices also you can add, but in this soup, very mild, you need not very spicy, or all the spices no need to put. Yes, you can put those sauce also if you want, soya sauce, chili sauce. Yeah, that is up to you. Yeah, that you can add. But this is the base soup I am telling you. You can change this soup according to your taste. I will tell you how. Okay, so this is I am telling you base of the all the soups. Okay, then how you I will tell you 2-3 soups how you can make out of this 2-3 more soups just by, oh, this is adding few spices or sauce. So this is till it's just a minute. I think I just now, am I audible? Just actually speaker and now you can no just a minute.
Bluetooth on.
Okay, now you can hear me. Am I audible now?
Bluetooth on.
Little feeble. Wait a minute.
The camera has also shifted already. You can move a little.
Okay, now it's okay. Now it's okay.
I think it's fine. What about others? Can you hear her?
You can have that mic.
Can people respond?
Am I audible?
Mic.
A little feeble.
Okay,
तुम
just
देना कान में.
I think
On करो.
just a little. Add it. Just a minute.
no problem. I think what I can
So it's boiling. It's boiling. So actually there is nothing much you can miss out because it's boiling thing is only going on right now, which will take another 4 to 5 minutes. You need to boil it. And if you can see me, am I audible now? Perfect. Okay. Thank you. Sorry for the glitches. Okay, and this is corn flour powder. So we will take just 2 tablespoons. Okay, and we will add cold water into it. Just 2 tablespoon water. That's it. Yeah, room temperature, not cold, room temperature, little bit more. So we just have to make a slurry. We just have to mix it properly, no lumps. Yeah, liquid. So 2 tablespoon water, 2 tablespoon corn flour powder. That's it. If you feel it's little thick, you can add water, no problem, because as it is there is water. So it's going to be if it plus and minus doesn't matter at all. Okay, and yes. So I'll just this soup is boiling. When it's boiling like already 4-5 minutes, now I will add it and just mix it. Simple. Now this will thicken the soup. And if now you can also plus minus your consistency of the soup by adding more water if you want. If you don't want very thick or something like that. At this point of time you can add milk also if you want to give it to kids, so you can add little milk also into it, so it will become more creamy. So it will be like a cream of veg soup if you want to make so now so just first version, this is the basic soup I said. Okay, this is the soup is ready, almost ready, everything is there. You can have it like this. This is the basic. This is done. This is the basic soup. Okay, so now if we want to make it cream of veg, what we will do, we will add that white sauce, if somebody know that bechamel we used to call it, 1 teaspoon of flour, refined flour, and 1 teaspoon of butter. We will just heat it little and just mix it, and we will add milk. So I have added here 500 ml water, so we will add there 500 ml of milk. Okay, and we will pour that into this the sauteed vegetables into that. So that will become your cream of vegetable soup, and you boil it. Yes. So that is the additional flavor. Okay, and simply I am going to add cream here. Just, you know, if you don't want to add bechamel and all that, because if you are making for the larger quantity, so you want to make that bechamel sauce and all, but just you want to quick, the soup is ready. I'll just switch it off and I'll pour it into my soup bowl. Sure, Varsha. Most welcome. Okay, and I'll just pour little bit of cream into it. This is also quite a creamy soup. And just stir it well. See? And just pinch of green spring onions. That's it. Soup is ready. Just garnish it with the cilantro or your dhania patti. That's it. Soup is ready. That is. I'll just perfect soup. You will never go for Knorr soup or any packet soup. See. So kids के लिए, बड़ों के लिए, for anyone, you just, and even kids can make it. It's so easy. You just saw it with the help of elders, and if 13 plus kids so can easily make it. Even in the night you are hungry or something, you just make this soup, and just one bowl of soup is very filling and very healthy. And yeah, one version what I was saying, instead of making adding cream, you can add all the sauce like soya sauce, your tomato ketchup, your chili sauce and all that, so it will become little Chinese kind of soup. If you want more to hot and sour, you can add ginger and garlic before adding vegetables. Add finely chopped ginger, garlic and chilies, and then add vegetables, and rest all the soup is like this, and then add all the 3 sauces. Your hot and sour soup is ready. So all the money you are spending on your Knorr soup, send it to me. I hope you all like it, and please share your experience with us when you make these lovely dishes, what we are teaching you. Thank you. Over to Sheetal. Yes.